Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want demo one of my project about IoT. Okay. So this is one of my project that is the HTLab Blink. We use Blink to link into this Loki file. So this is the code. Then this is the visual of the ESP32 and this the DHT. So let's try for the simulation. So it's like this, right? It's loading still.